Hi, my name is Charlie Barber, and I wanted to walk you through an iOS application that I and a colleague created for the University of Utah Geology Department and the State of Utah seismograph stations. This app was designed so that when on site, a surveyor can collect data from the area surrounding the seismograph activity with their iOS devices and then upload that information to their servers for further study and analysis of the damaged area. After a user logs in, this is the first screen that they will see. It is where the local events that have been created and saved will show up. Let me walk you through that process now of creating a local event and saving it to the phone. First, you tap on the plus sign, and this will take you to a screen where you enter in all of the data and information that you want to be saved. There are 4 types of data that can be collected that make up a single local entry event. The first and the main source of data for the local entry is a photo. Once the user taps on the resource, you will see that an action sheet will come up, and it will give the user the choice to either select a picture from the camera roll on his or her iOS device, or the user can take a photo from their iOS device and store it in the application. Let's choose a photo from my phone. After the user selects the photo, he or she will then select the type of hazard from the picker. Then the user will fill in the accompanying information of the hazard from the other pickers. The user then must provide a title, a description, and notes. Alternative files can also be added to supplement the photo data. The first alternative file that can be added is a video. The user can either choose an existing video on his or her iOS device or take a new video with their iOS device. Let's choose a video on my iPhone. And you can see the video is saved down here as an alternate file. The next alternative file that could be used is an audio recording. Making a recording is done within the application itself and not through the system voice recordings. And then the final alternative file that the user could add is a PDF file. To add a PDF file, the user must locate a file within his or her email on the iOS device, and then he or she can send it to the application. Let's walk through that process. First, I'll go to the Documents area, and you can see that there are no files currently saved within the application. So I'll go to my email and find a PDF file that I want to send to the app. Once I click on the shared icon, you can see that the app shows up in the places where this file can be opened. I tap on the application icon, and this sends the PDF document to the application. Once the PDF file is there, the application shows me the file in a table view, and from here I can upload it to the phone. Now I can select the file, and it is added as an alternate file to my entry. Once all of the required fields are filled out, the user can then hit the Save button to save the file to the iOS device, and this will also upload the files to the lab servers if there is an internet connection available. If there is not an internet connection, the user can upload the documents once they are back at the lab. When a user saves and/or uploads the data, the local entry will be saved on the iOS device, and it will show up in this local tab as a collection view. Another feature of the application is the Maps area, which uses the Apple Maps API. If there's going to be an internet connection on site, the user can simply search for the location when he or she gets there. If there is not an internet connection, the user can search for a map before he or she goes to the site, and it will be saved to the phone automatically. Let me walk you through a simple search. The user will tap on the search field and search for a location. Once the location is found, the app will ask if the user wants to save the location to their favorites. If they do, then the location will be saved to their favorites table. The location will also show up in a table along with other recent searches. The user can select the recent searches to view those maps. There are also some other various features within the map area. The user can press the current location button, and the app will center the map on the user's current location. And the user can also hit the info button to change the look of the map. Another feature of the map area is that whenever a user creates an entry and data has been recorded, a marker on the map will appear and indicate where the data was collected. The current marker with the camera on screen was created as a result of making the recent entry that I just walked you through. This is all done using the core location API, along with the maps and map annotations. Another feature of the map area is that the table on top of the map can be swiped up or down, so the user can see more or less of the table. This was a walkthrough of the app that I built along with a colleague for the University of Utah Geology Department and the state of Utah seismograph stations, so they can collect data on various sites. It uses various types of iOS features, including Apple Maps API, core location, URL session, collection and table views, custom presentation controllers, map annotations, geolocations, and auto layout, to name a few. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions for me, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.